Okay, so today we will see how to remove all the threats in Max security software. So first of all, open your Max security app.
First time, been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all night.
You open your Max security total security software. Now there is a option called options. Click on that, and there will be the third option called recover. Click on that, and what you have to do is click on here load list. Okay, now these are all the threats that you have. Now you have to decide, would you like to keep them or recover them, or you want to delete all them. So select all and click on delete, so it will delete. Okay, yes, everything is deleted, whatever was wrong with your PC. Okay, so now whatever the suspicious things were there, they are no more. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this kind of tutorials, games, tech, make sure you subscribe Technamanology.